Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're gonna make a 3D maze game on Scratch. Let's start. First of all, I'm gonna start with my favorite opening. Nice. Now let's make a new sprite. I'll name it Player. In the player sprite, we don't need to do much. We'll draw a rectangle, not big, and in this rectangle I'm placing yellow color, but you're free to choose your own color. I'm removing one side, I'm bringing it up. Yes. Now remember, your player size should be around 15 and 16 or into 11. Okay, I have made my player. Now let's go to the code. First of all, when I see start, go to -192 and -6. Then set rotation style all around. Then point in direction 45. I suppose -45. Okay, switch costume to, okay, let's name this player. Yes, switch costume to player. Set ghost effect to 100. Then set size to 60. This will keep our sprite very small. You see here? This is pretty small, by the way. Let's add some outline. Nice. Okay. Now when we set size to 60, we need to make a new variable, pen color, and this will be for all sprites. We're using pen color to make the color of the walls of our 3D maze, and set pen color to 50. Now no matter when we start, this will always keep repeating because of our future code. So let's just repeat one time. Okay, nice. Now forever. I'll broadcast a new message, raycast. Now raycast actually means creating the scene. So when I raycast a message, that message should make everything 3D. Okay, now I'll make a new block. I'll name it player movement, and please run without screen refresh. Click it. Okay, let's put that in the forever loop as well. Now define player movement if, let's place an if statement, key left arrow pressed, then turn 3 degrees to the left. Well, if we know what to do. If right arrow key pressed, then turn 2 degrees to the right. Okay, now we need to make a new block. Name it move. Add a input. Name it steps. Now run without screen refresh. Let's place it there. Now if up arrow key pressed, this will mean we're going forward. So move 2, and now this 2 means steps. Now duplicate that. If down arrow key press, then move -2, means going backward. Okay, now I thought using the boss keys like this would be boring, so I'm using A and D keys to go sideways. First of all, A key, turn 90 degrees, move 2 steps, and turn 90 degrees back. Okay, nice. Let's place that. And same goes for the D key, just we're switching these turn blocks. Okay, seems like we're done our player movement script. Now, in the move step define, we need to make a new costume. We'll call it hitbox. Now this hitbox will make sure our wall detection. For this, I'm gonna zoom in with no outline. Just make a little square of 1 grid. Little square. Okay, now place it in the center. Now, define move steps, switch costume to hitbox, set rotation style to don't rotate. Now, we need to make a new block again. This will be try move. This will make sure our X and Y position is always in right place. Now, I'll make 2 new inputs for this try move block, direction X and direction Y, which I'll call DX and DY. Please click the run without screen refresh. Now, let's take that out. Let's place a multiply, steps, the sign of, okay, where's the sign? Sign of direction, 0, and now duplicate it, place the same here, but this time cosine, 0. Okay, now switch costume to player. Set rotation style to all around. Now, okay, it's not being shown. Well, pretty obvious because we need to set it to 0 for now. Okay, not pretty much happening. But in the try move, we're doing the real thing because change X and Y by DX and DY. And if touching level, we're going to make a new block, a new sprite, name it level. And for now, I'm not going to do much, just the outline. A gray outline. Very big. Okay. Place it in center. Now, if touching level, change X and Y by minus dx and dy by 0. Now, let's try. You see this? This collision is the best part of our detection. You see this? This is so cool, guys. So cool. Now, in the next video, I'll make a raycaster which will make a lot of trails, and those trails will make our raycasting and show the 3D mood. But until then, I'll meet you next time on the same spot. Also, if you want, I can make a playlist for making this 3D maze game. Okay, I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.